Today, I'm going to show you a video that was taken 7 years ago. And in this video, we are going to be doing the mysterious ticking noise. And I'm going to be Ron Weasley, so watch out for that. And I hope you enjoy.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy.
Cool cat.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore! Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore! Ron! Ron!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione. Severus
Hermione.
Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Severus Snape. Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the souls of the ticking! It's a bomb!
Voldemort, Voldemort, oh, Voldemort.
So much for watching, and